Hey guys, Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a 143 scale. It is the Hot Wheels pullback Porsche 911 GT3, the Recolour. The first one was this orange one. Orange, black rims, really nice. And this is just the blue version. It's blue, silver rims. Doesn't have the striping like this one does. But yeah, I'm starting to like these more because they're 10 bucks. The door's open on them, right? The door's open. And they are 10 bucks, and these are 30. But these are meant more for kids, and these are meant more for the adult collectors. But either way, I'm starting to really like these just because of their price point. The quality isn't as good as these ones, but really all you're swapping out is rubber tires and a little bit better build quality for an extra $20. But yeah, I'm gonna go crack this open, and then we'll come back after. Was the Porsche 911 GT3 and the 143 scale, the pullbacks. Now again, like I said before, these are again meant more for the more adult collectible, and this is more for kids. But these are starting to come with some pretty sweet castings. There's a Mazda RX-8. There's a Bone Shaker, which I like, in blue and in like a brown, really nice brown. So I'll be picking those up too. But yeah, they're starting to get more like real castings, not so much fantasy, which is really nice to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.